ripping. Good morning. Just wait for a few more people to get in here. Bullish or bearish? Mostly bullish right now on Nasdaq, just because we're sitting in this 30-minute fair value gap. Yeah, I'm gonna be a little bit patient. Yeah, honestly, like I feel like we still have more expansion to see. Yeah, Powell's speaking right now, but I think we could get something going. We have SMT with the lows. Just watching this fair value up. my my bad, Jay. My hands are off the mouse. um, why am I trading during Powell? Honestly, I've had some pretty good trades while Powell speaks. But I'm gonna wait a little bit. I honestly would like to see like a sweep of some sell side and then to see that larger move. That's funny. Yeah, ICT would say a lot of things, and I'd still do them. See, good thing we're not in that fair value gap. I got my accounts loaded up. Honestly, ideally we trade all the way to like some of these Asia lows and then we trade up higher. I'm not in this trade, by the way. I'm just looking at it. So we got our sweep of sell side. We're in our hourly fair value gap. But again, I would still consider having a sweep of Asia range. Yeah, let's just wait a little bit. See what Powell has to say. If there's any asset you guys want me to look at. Sells because relative equal lows is untapped. Yeah, that's some yeah, that's pretty reasonable to say. Jay says we're gonna fill the opening gap and trade to some of these equal lows. Yeah, I'm still like long term I'm bullish because I think we're gonna trade to all-time highs, but um yeah, I could definitely see us trading right now lower just to trade higher later in the day. Oh, this is 8:32. I didn't even see that. There's a data low right here. Here's how to tell. You gotta go on the 1 second chart. If it's a huge wick on the 1 second chart, then that means it's a data low. It's not that crazy. Yeah, I definitely think price is gonna push lower right now. But I'm still long-term bullish, so it's hard to justify getting short. Long-term is likely bullish. I think a retracement to discount on a 30-minute chart is probable. Yeah, I completely agree. Definitely. We could see us trade to some of these lows. New home sales. Bet your pal testifies. Yeah, that would be enough to sweep all the lows. But looks like right now we're getting a pretty good push. We'll watch this fair value gap, and what I think could happen is we sweep a little bit of buy side right here, and then trade lower. And I think the lowest we would go is the 4-hour fair value gap. Yeah, I'm just trying to really convey my bias right here. If we push all the way to this fair value gap though and we close above it, we're definitely probably bullish. How much should we allow ourselves on a bad trading day? Hmm. Well, that kind of depends, but like on a low probability day, if you're trading a personal account, you shouldn't be risking more than like 1% of the account. So I kind of go, I'm very dynamic with my risk, meaning just on low probability days, I scale down, and then on high probability days, I scale up. So right here, I'd say this is like medium. Like I wouldn't go heavy, but I wouldn't go light either. I'd just go like kind of normal size. Let's see if we get that push I was talking about lower. So in other words, on a normal day, like 2% is the most you should be risking. on funded accounts, a good rule of thumb is like, say you have a 50K account, but it only has 2K of drawdown, like a typical futures account. I would only risk $200 to $300 on that account. And that might seem like a little bit, but when you have multiple and you're like copy trading, you can make a lot of money doing that. So it's really not a big deal. Q. I really think we could push down through this. Yeah, I definitely think I don't know how to say your name. Yerzy. I definitely think that like longs are possible. It's just like a little bit higher risk because we have so many lows. That I think that's why price is slowing down right now. Also, like when you have two good draws, um, definitely slows price down a little bit. I commented something. You guys could respond if you want. I might have to enter on the 30-second. Yeah, I don't think the cells are gonna work right now. I have to wait a little bit. I have a double bias right now, guys. So I'm kind of thinking that if we could push above this high, then we're bullish and we should get enough momentum to push to these highs. But if we fail, then I definitely think if we fail to hold this fair value gap, then I definitely think we trade to these lows. And I don't have a predefined bias like normally because there's so many different things going on this chart that it's like because we could say this was the manipulation for the day and that we're going to distribute higher, where we could say that we're at risk of going long and we're going to trade to these lows. So I could definitely see both sides. Just so you guys know what's on my mind right now. Buy nothing. I just stopped trading for 3 to 4 months and go on tours for struggling all these days. That's reasonable. Here in the States, we would buy all the cars you could think of. um, just consolidating right now. Okay, so I'm gonna add a super light size. I want to see if that could be like my starter position based off of this fair value gap holding, and then I'm gonna see if we can invert this one. Super low, like pretty much not a loss if it doesn't go in our favor. So I would not size heavily with that. And actually, oh, we're getting a good push right now. Good timing, right? I was gonna log into my Ninja Trader. That's such a ridiculous wick. Like I don't even know if I want to add more size. Dude, this is ridiculous. I don't know why there's so much lag on these charts. Okay, I'm gonna add more size and actually have a proper stop loss. What's up, Daybot? My ES is cooked over here. Don't know what's going on over there. There we go. I'm just gonna watch this chart. That other chart is all messed up. Yeah, we might get stopped out right now, guys. Volume is too low. I'm probably too far from the mic. Oh, it's working in our favor now. A little bit. And just put it right here. I wonder if Powell's still speaking right now. Oh, I see. Yeah, he still is speaking. Mr. Powell. Yeah, we might get stopped out right now, guys. Yeah, that's alright. Small loss. Just wait for this 15-minute. It's honestly the move. Just have to wait and see where price wants to go. See if I could pull this up. Hopefully it's not. Hopefully it's not too loud.
Supply driven form. That would mean that there's not enough supply to meet demand, but at the same time, there's such low demand that there is supply. So are you guys ignoring them? No, but as I said again, our policies will not affect in the long run. No, I'm being demand or supply of housing. I'm being serious, y'all. We're talking about a housing crisis that is right now because
they're so dramatic.
Future instability at the current rates, and you raise your eyebrows and all this stuff. I don't know. I mean, do you understand? Like, I come from a community right now that I believe
Order filmed.
It's your own eval account.
That I do feel like it could be long-term effects on the housing crisis, and you're ignoring it. No, we're not. Actually, we think the very best thing we can do is fully restore.
But yeah, I'm not gonna trade my funded right now.
Even though the housing supply has been impacted by the rate, do you see where I'm coming from? It is impacting future supply of housing, right? Not in the long run. Let's go on this down here pretty hard. The gentleman from Wisconsin, Mr. Stahl, who's also the chair of our subcommittee on digital assets, financial technology, and artificial intelligence. You're recognized, Mr. Stahl.
Thank you, Chairman Hill. Thank you, Chairman Powell, for being with us today. I want to dive into two actions the Fed's recently taken to get a little additional color on. Yesterday, the Fed announced that reputation risk will no longer be a component in bank exams. I viewed that positively. I viewed
Order filmed.
being a catch-all for political bias.
That's just a eval account, guys. Chill out. Let's see if we can full forward the eval.
Whether or not any new information came to light that led to the decision of the Fed to remove that yesterday?
I'm not aware of any new information. No, we just think it's the right thing to do, and just made an announcement on Monday under Governor Bowman's chairful leadership.
Why would it not have been done previously? It's the right thing to do. I agree with you. It's the right thing to do. Why was it? Any timeline as to why that was done yesterday versus previously?
No, I think this is a problem that we came to understand as a problem over the course of years. Began considering what's going on here. We're hearing a lot of reports of debanking and that sort of thing. And over the course of really 2024, came to view that this was a serious problem that we need to address. And we said that publicly, and now we're doing this. And so are the other agencies, by the way.
I appreciate you taking that action. I do agree that there was real political bias in some of these exams, particularly related to regulated entities engaged in the digital asset space. Let me shift into the digital asset space if I can. Another action recently taken by the Fed, the novel activities supervision program was ended, in which there were several statements on digital asset related risks that deterred bank involvement. In particular, you and the Fed and others in the Fed have spoken positively about the House and Senate work to regulate stablecoin in particular, a real opportunity to dollarize the globe, be a significant purchaser of U.S. Treasuries. Following that action by the Fed, have you seen an identifiable shift in banks or other regulated entities as it relates to engagement in the digital asset space?
I wouldn't be the one to be picking that up first, but what I do see is a very significant change in the tone. And it really does reflect evolving thinking on the status of the crypto industry.
Bro, there's nobody talking about crypto right now.
How is the Fed evaluating and overseeing banks or other regulated entities that are into digital asset services?
Our view is that banks get to decide who their customers are.
Bitcoin's gonna pump right now, guys.
Services to crypto industry, to crypto companies, and banks are also
Crypto. What's up?
speak to that area. You correctly are trying to balance inflation, price stability, but also higher rates
Top
have a direct
filled.
impact
Oh
on
yeah,
shelter
my
costs.
eval account is cooked, but
A driver why many families can't afford the things that they need.
I am more bullish now. After
After
those statements that they made.
Shelter costs have.
Might consider going long. Stoic, icy. I see. Okay, so this 15 minutes gonna close soon. I believe if we close above it, we'll probably run these highs. I took a short. You think it's valid after we tapped? My invalidation point for shorts is the 15 minute. So that's kind of what I'm weighing out right now. Same thing as you. I was trying to take shorts. They're not talking very bearishly right now, so. Let me turn that off for me. I can't, bro. This platform sucks. Every 5 seconds, I have to refresh. I'm thinking of going long now. Would have been better if I got long after that candle started. Um, for indices, 400 points. Yeah, I don't think we'll hit that, but do you think only watching the tops is better than using? Yeah, for forex, for indices, you always want to use a futures chart. Because the forex version is not accurate, like at all. If I'm being honest, I've had some students try and trade like just using the it's called synthetic indices, and it's not the best. Because what happens, what it's reflecting, it's trying to reflect the US market. So it's literally trying to reflect the US futures market. So why not just look at the US futures? Like that makes no sense, you know? So yeah, definitely Top Step. Even if it's Top Step X, it's not the most accurate, but it's pretty, it's like 99.9% accurate. There's a there's a couple mess ups here and there, but yeah, it's a decent platform.
Order filled.
Okay, we'll see if could actually get something going in here. Here's the TP, guys. No, that's I'm joking, but we do also have the inversion right here. So
Order filled.
I'm gonna add, I feel like this trade is higher probability because we have the higher time frame on our side. Going to, I'll go break even right here. Don't know why I can't capitalize that. There we go. And TP is, like I said, up there. Who knows? Who knows, bro? With this price action, who knows where price could go? Is the real market, or do I need a combine for that? If you get, whether you get a combine, whether you have a funded account, all of it's the same. It's all the same data. So regarding a practice account, yeah, I'm pretty sure you'll get live data with that as well. Pretty sure. I've never used the practice accounts, but I know they have those. We should be able to tighten our stop loss to right here because if we're trading off the 15-minute, it's where the low is. Yeah, I was trying to take shorts earlier. It's not off the table, but a lot more bullish right now. Just have to follow my system. This is why you guys have to join VIP, because we send stuff like this. Hmm. I just need Paolo to talk about Bitcoin again. We got some big names making moves. Oh, we're definitely in drawdown, guys. See if we push through these highs. We're responding pretty bullishly so far. We survived, guys.
Order filled.
Add a little exercise. Move my stop up. Bam. This better be a banger of a trade. That's a little too tight. The trend is your friend, guys. Come on, Powell. Wonder what 10 to 11 will bring, or 11 to 12, I mean. This is the worst price action. We're likely just gonna run my stop.
Order filled.
Yeah. It's alright. I'll probably stop trading now, honestly. Or really choppy. Alright, I'm gonna head out, guys. Not the best stream. It is what it is. Catch you guys in the